Creating an effective CV or curriculum vitae is crucial for landing job interviews and showcasing your qualifications to potential employers. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a compelling CV. 1. Choose the right CV format. Select the format that best highlights your strengths and experiences. Common formats include reverse chronological, most recent to experience first, functional, skills-based, or combination, a mix of both. Number 2, include contact information. Start with your full name, professional title, if applicable, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile URL, if relevant. Ensure your contact details are up to date and professional. Number 3, craft a powerful personal statement or objective. Write a brief and impactful personal statement or objective that summarizes your career goals and highlights your key skills and achievements. Tailor the section to the specific job you are applying for if possible. Number 4, list your profile experiences. Include your work history in reverse chronological order, starting with your most recent job. For each position, include the company name, job title, employment dates, and a brief description of your responsibilities and achievements. Use action verbs and quantify your accomplishments with specific results or metrics. Number 5, showcase your education and qualifications. List your highest education level first, including the degree, institution name, and graduation year. Add any relevant certifications, licenses, or professional development courses. Number 6, highlight your key skills. Create a dedicated skills section to list your core competencies and relevant technical or soft skills. Use keywords from the job description to tailor the section to the specific role. Number 7, include achievements and awards. Highlight any awards, honors, or recognition you have received throughout your career. Mention any exceptional achievements that demonstrates your expertise and dedication. 8, add volunteer experience and extracurricular activities. This is optional. If relevant, include any volunteer work, internships, or extracurricular activities that showcase your skills or alignment with job requirements. 9, tailor your CV for each application. Customize your CV for each job application to align with the specific requirements and job description. Emphasize the most relevant experience and skills for each role. 10, use a clean and professional design. Keep your CV layout clean, organized, and easy to read. Use consistent font styles and sizes and include bullet points for clarity. Proofread and edit thoroughly. Review your CV multiple times to check your grammatical errors, typos, and inconsistencies. Professional to review it as well to get feedback. Save your CV in a common format. Save your CV as a PDF to ensure it maintains its formatting and it's accessible to all recipients. By following this step-by-step guide, you can create an effective CV that effectively showcases your qualifications and increases your chances of landing interviews and job opportunities. Remember to keep your CV updated as your career progresses and tailor it for its job application to make a strong impression on potential employers. Thank you for watching.